We've got a wing. This car's got 2 headlights. It's only been 15 minutes or so.
We love the Beamers, the Benz, the Porsches. All of my fans, I know they're supporting. Style with nothing but look at us now. Whoever's supporting, I'm making you proud. Whoever's supporting, I'm making you proud. Salvage nation, look at the squad. We're up in the foreign line, look at the car. Look at the car.
Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to episode 2 on the double build cars, which I bought with the main purpose of turning a flip. And I know you guys love to see if we can turn a flip. So by the end of this series, I want you to tell me if you think it was worth it and how much money you think we can make from these 2 cars. If you haven't seen the previous episode, I suggest going to check that one out. We went down to Copart and we picked up this 2015 Nissan Juke and the 2019 Seat Leon FR. Now these 2 cars hopefully should be able to get me out of the hole that I'm in after I bought that last BMW that came with no engine. Oh my God. See, I thought it was just surface. What is this? And you guys saw all of it. But anyway, today is not about any of those cars, it's about these 2. And we got these cars a couple of weeks ago, and over the last few weeks I've been adding up and saving up and buying all these parts, and we've got quite a lot of parts for both cars that we're going to be getting stuck in. This episode is sponsored by a company called AUTOGLAZE London, and they supply and fit windscreens for all of your damaged cars, or if you've got a chipped windscreen, damaged windscreen, they're the guys to call, and they're our new channel sponsors. They'll be coming down later to sort out some stuff on the Seat Leon, but yeah, that's going to be interesting. But for now, I want to get started on the Juke. Got a lot of parts, we've got to strip it down, get started. No more talking, let go. So guys, on the lovely Juke, we've got a wing, we've got a bottom headlight. This car's got 2 headlights. So we've got a bottom headlight, this should be the top headlight. And if you look all the way through there, we've got a front bumper as well. So hopefully by the end of this episode, we should have this car buckled up. I'm not too sure about that one, but yeah, for now, let's get started with stripping down all the damage. I want to see what's going on behind these bumpers, strip down all the broken stuff, and hopefully we don't find anything too nasty and we can get started with reassembling all of this stuff. So guys, it's been about 15 minutes. We went ahead and got the broken bumper off, and I was quite happy there's no hidden damage behind there. Broken light is off. This area looks generally all right. It's just got a little grazed hair on this reinforcement bar, but that shouldn't be a problem. This is simply cosmetic. This is the main part of the bar. This bit is simply cosmetic. I can't see anything else that's overly concerning on that side. Like I showed you, we got a wing and I've got a bumper, but I need to strip down all the bits from that bumper. But yeah guys, have a look at that. It's only been 15 minutes or so, and so far so good. Let's continue. Alright, you guys, take a look at that. It's been about 2 hours and I am actually impressed with how fast we were able to get this car stripped down, get the new parts on, everything's gone on without a hitch. Have a look at this, new headlight is on, top day running light is on, everything's lining up great. Compare it to the passenger side where it never had any damage, and that's the new front bumper skin. I've just put it on for a test fit. I'm happy with the way things are looking there. Obviously this is the original bumper. I've got to remove all of these plastic grills on the top. This complete plastic, I don't even know if, is it a grill? Is it a splitter? Whatever it's called, it's going to come off in one bit, fit it onto this bumper. However, we're not going to do that quite yet. We need to spray the skin first and then I can assemble that bumper. And this car is going to be out of here, man. But guys, take a look at that. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. I'm very happy with the progress that we've made on the Juke. As I said, this is a double build. So now let's pause on this one and let's jump over to the Seat Leon F4. I've got the guys from AUTOGLAZE London coming down. They're going to do some work for me and we'll see what else we can get up to on the Leon. Woo! Okay. Oh, wow. Yeah, man. Well thank you, thank you, thank you. Alright guys, so have a look. The windscreen is out. This was a massive job. It was hard, but luckily I got my guy Simon from AUTOGLAZE, which is our new channel partners. So as I always say, when I get something, I try to pass it on to you lot. And I've been talking to Simon here, and if you guys need any windscreens done, chips, brakes, just smashed like the way this one was, give AUTOGLAZE a call. I'll put all the information, it should be on the screen right now, but I'll put it down in the description down below. And if you mention Salvage Nation, they'll give you a little bit of a discount. And that's a little something from myself, Simon at AUTOGLAZE.
We're here anytime.
Of course, back to you lot. So I hope you enjoyed it. Simon's gonna head off now. We're gonna do some work on the chassis and kind of like the frame of the windscreen. Once that's all done, Simon, you're gonna come back down with the windscreen.
That's it.
Brand new windscreen.
Get it all put in for you.
Nice one.
Get it as good as new.
Sweet. So guys, stay tuned. Let's roll on the video. Alright guys, so all the damaged parts have been removed. Damaged bonnet, both wings, and basically you can see there's not a lot of damage beneath those panels. Coming around to the front, not a lot of damage. Coming around to this side, not a lot of damage, but it's kind of exposed, and this is what we're aiming for. We had to get all that glass out of there so we can see this. We can start to work on this. We might have to get a piece and replace this, I'm not sure yet. Find out in the next episode. And also on the roof, have a look. So this is the brunt of the damage on this particular car, and this is what I was quite scared of. So yeah, have a look at that. Have a look at that. We've made some orders for all the parts, just a matter of waiting for the parts now. Once the parts come, we can continue on that. And as you saw just now earlier, we've done quite a lot of work on this one. All I'm gonna do now is strip down this bumper, and then we can start to wrap up. So guys, there you have it. We've made a ton of work. We've made a ton of progress on both cars. The Juke is looking amazing. This is ready to drive in literally a few days. We just need to do some body work on that. However, there's a bit more work to do on the Seat Leon. However, we're making some great progress, like I said. Don't forget to check out AUTOGLAZE London. They're the new channel sponsors, and if you've got any chips, cracks, or damaged windscreens, give them a call. All the information will be down below. Use the discount code Salvage Nation and you'll receive 10% off the quoted price. So that is a little bit from us giving back to you. So guys, this is where we're gonna head off. If you want to see how we get on with both cars, consider subscribing to the channel, and like I always say, keep it moving, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed that, why don't you check out one of my previous videos on the left? There's plenty in the playlist. And if you want to know more about the Salvage game, why don't you become a member of Salvage Nation, and I'll be there to guide you along the way. And don't forget, you can follow me on Facebook, TikTok and Instagram if you want to get an inside scoop before YouTube.